Hello everyone, today I've got a super useful tip for all beginners. How to switch chord faster and smoother. If your chord changes feel slow or messy, don't worry, this video will fix that. So here's the main problem. When you switch chords, your fingers often lift too high or you forgot the shape and boom, you lose rhythm. The solution? Muscle memory and smart practice. Let me show you how. Let's say you are practicing switching chords between G major and C major. Step 1. Slow it down. Don't worry about strumming it, just move between the two chords slowly and cleanly. Focus on moving all your fingers together, not by one. This saves time and builds that smooth movement. Step 2. Keep your fingers close to the strings. Don't fly them away like birds. The less distance they travel, the faster they land on the next chord. Step 3. Use anchor fingers. Some chords share fingers on the same spot. Like going from G to D, you can keep your ring finger in a place and find those shortcuts. Now try this drill. Set a timer for 1 minute and just switch between two chords like G and C again and again without strumming. This builds speed like magic. Once you feel faster, add the strumming back. Bonus tip, look ahead. Don't wait till the last second to move. As soon as you strum a chord, get ready for the next one immediately. And that's it. Practice these small things daily and I promise your chord switching will go from clunky to clean in just few days. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to Guitar Shot Nepal for more bite-sized guitar lessons. Stay patient, stay consistent and keep strumming. Thanks for watching.